Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase one of our online recorded courses. So once you visit our website loststoriesacademy.com, you can go under the courses section and go to recorded courses. Now from here, you have the option to choose from single courses, or you can have a combined option of getting the bundle courses, which includes all of these courses at once. So here in the bundle courses, I have the option to add them into my cart over here. So for example, if I want the Pro Music bundle, I can just add it to cart and now it has been added. So now we can go to our cart. The moment you go to your cart, it will ask you to log in, right? So what we will do is we will log in, and if you haven't logged in, then I really suggest that you create your own account and password over here, or you can sign in using Facebook or Google. So once you do that, you can sign into your account. The moment you sign in, it will ask you to go to the cart, and now you have to fill in your details so that you can select your billing address, right? If you have a coupon code, you can apply it here as well. Otherwise, you can continue. So you have to follow these steps. First, you will select your billing address. If you don't already have a billing address, you can fill in your details and then you will have an option here. Once you get the billing address, you're supposed to select it. So you can see this billing address is now selected. Then I can just press next, and then I have the option to pay online or offline, right? So if you pay online, then it will take you to the payment website, and once you finish paying it, it will give you a confirmation. If you choose to pay offline, then your order will be processed, and then you will have to get in touch with the team once you have paid using the offline method if you do wish to pay at the academy. If you have any problems with this, you can reach out to us at info@loststoriesacademy.com, or you can contact us on WhatsApp on this number 98992 05465.